how to remove Bing search from Windows 10 and Windows 11, as well as removing it from Microsoft Edge. So first what you want to do is right click on the start button and then go to settings. Then we want to go to privacy or privacy and security for Windows 11. Now for Windows 11 you should access the search permissions from here. And for Windows 10 it's actually placed back under search category right here. So you can click on the search category. Now you can scroll down, and then under cloud content search category should disable Microsoft account and work or school account. Now it should look the same for Windows 11, but it's under the privacy tab or category. Now under the same page, make sure you disable search history on this device to improve suggestions and stuff like that. And click on Bing search history settings. And that should take you to this page where you can disable showing new searches in here to use them for recommendations. So you can turn this off. And now you can close this page. Now you should click on Windows privacy options under related settings on the right side, and it should take you to this page. Now make sure to disable all of these options, except the last one if you want to see notifications, of course. So by following these steps, that should disable the Bing search from the start menu right here. Now you can close this. That should also disable Bing from the taskbar right here. Now we will go ahead and disable Bing for Microsoft Edge. So first you want to open Microsoft Edge like this. And now you should click on the button, the three horizontal dots next to your profile picture if you're logged in. And then you want to go to settings. Now you want to click on privacy, search and services. Now you want to click on search and connected experiences. And then you want to click on address bar and search. And in here, as you can see, the search engine used by default in the address bar is Bing, which is recommended for some reason. Now we can change this to Google, which is the default search engine now. Now you can select whether it's search box or address bar. Now we want the search on new tabs use a search box or address bar. We can set to use search box if we want a search box, like this one. Or we can use address bar, so we can directly search for something, maybe Roblox like this, and it will use Google instead of Bing. And I think if you leave it to set on search box, it will still use Bing for some reason. So I prefer to set it to address bar to always use Google. Now we will need to change other few settings so that when Edge starts up, it doesn't open Bing by default. So we want to go to Start, Home, and New Tab Page. So first we want to change the on startup from Open the New Tab Page to Open Custom Sites, and then add a site and simply type google.com. Now press Add. Now we are pretty much done. We'll need to simply close the browser and then relaunch it again. And as you can see, it takes us directly to a Google page. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.